You have a bad hog ring on your impact wrench, missing the O-ring. This is the kit you need right here. Just clips. This is going to be on a Milwaukee 3/8 Stubby. So inside your kit you have everything you need for 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, you have your O-rings and your snap rings. And you have your clip key. That's what you're going to set up your snap ring in and then push down in. There's your tool to remove the O-ring. And that sandpaper right there is to clean up your groove where the O-ring goes, in case you have any burrs. Simply take the snap ring pliers, insert them in here, and then open up the snap ring or the hog ring. Open those up, remove. Once that's off, use the deburring tool right here, give it a quick slide the O-ring on top of the anvil. Now you'll see I have my snap ring in there. You're gonna set your impact at a 45, push down, and then roll it forward. And then it is on there. Nice and easy. You know, if you use your tools like I do, this is the part. Use 3/8, 1/2 inch. Stay stocked up on them. JC 380s. Highly recommend it.